Hi guys, hello, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, we're gonna prepare breakfast. Here we have our chicken with potatoes. So we're going to grill the chicken and the potatoes. We are going to sprinkle a little black pepper on top of it, and then some oil, drops of oil, before we grill it. Now we are going to grill it. Guys, we have our slaughter here. Here we have one lemon juice that we are going to squeeze just a little. We're going to squeeze a little lemon juice into the slaughter. Just a little quantity amount of lemon juice. We're going to add salt. And we have our parsley that we are going to add on to it. Now we mix. And you can add your oil of your choice, olive oil, let's check our chicken. The chicken is done. Here we have our green chili. We're going to add the green chili to it. Olive oil. We're going to add our olive oil. So guys, our chicken is ready. Our chicken and potatoes are ready. Yes, now we're going to prepare the slaughter. So dress the slaughter. So guys, our breakfast is ready.